Welcome back, fellas, into this new video of TechExpress. So, if you sold an item, the buyer paid, but your balance says on hold. So this feels like PayPal is holding your money hostage. So by default, PayPal can hold funds up to 20 days to protect against scams. So I'm going to be showing you how to cut the 21 wait down to 24 hours by following the new evidence protocol. So first of all, we wanted to provide shipping information. So if you go directly into the left section of activity once you're signed in through your PayPal account, you want to look out for the option that says find a transaction. If you don't find, let's say for example, go for all transactions, and you go for the element that says find transaction, and usually what you can do is to look out for the element that says get your money. So into activity, you go for find your transaction that usually appears directly inside here. And basically what you need to do is to make sure that when you received, let's say for example in this case that says payment due, when I received the actual payment, basically I wanted to make sure that I hit for the element that says get your actual money. So just select the actual product and go for add the tracking number. So if you got for your activity feed, basically click into the held transaction and get your actual element that says get the money. That usually appears directly inside here. In my case, it won't appear because the actual status appears as complete, so there's nothing left to do. But in this case, it should be appearing directly inside here, the element that says get your money. So if you shipped in a physical item, for example, you needed to enter the tracking number immediately, guys. So when you go, for example, let's say that you sell one product and you do this from DHL, for example, you have the actual tracking number. So this information you needed to be providing there by PayPal to, let's say, gather all the actual evidence. So list of approved couriers. Use a PayPal approved courier. Once the courier system marks the item was delivered, PayPal will release the funds within 24 hours. This is an actual rule that usually happens to almost anyone. Now, if you print, for example, your shipping label directly through the PayPal, the tracking is uploaded automatically and the hold is often releases even faster. So now to fix holds of services, for example, what if you didn't ship anything? Maybe you are a freelancer, for example, you just sold a digital skin. Now, what you need to do is to select the actual service or the words of the product and try to update the status to complete. If you change the order status to complete, this tells PayPal the services has been rendered. So let's say, for example, that I have the element that says pay and getting paid, and I have, for example, this specific product that I have made an actual sale. When I select the actual product that I sell from PayPal, I select the element that it has now been completed. So when you go for completed, usually the money will be now released the whole 7 days after you make it completed, and provided the buyer doesn't file an actual dispute. This is like something that usually happens a lot. Now the buyer confirmation, because there's a secret instant release button, but the buyer has it, not you. So 48 hours after you have uploaded the tracking or marked the services done, you can ask the buyer to log in. They can click to confirm the receipt on the actual end, and once they click that, your money is usually moved to your available balance instantly. And basically you don't have to do anything else because your money is not available inside here. Now for prevention, PayPal holds money because you're either a new seller or your seller score is a little bit low. So you wanted to avoid disputes. You wanted to don't let the account still inactive. So to stop holds forever, you needed a history of process of transactions, guys, to make this process much more faster, so that into the future this doesn't happen again, right? So you don't want to wait 21 days. You wanted to be proactive with your tracking and communication, and try to talk to the actual client that you have now done this process and you're actually good to go. So there you have it, guys. It was a really easily processed. If your account is permanently limited and you can't even see the get your money button, basically you wanted to watch our video into appealing a PayPal limitations nowadays. So thank you once again for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, guys, if you want to see more great tools like this. And hopefully with all this being said, we can all see you well next time.